Hi everybody, Cynthia here. Just doing a project share. I finished some Easter themed albums. Two are accordion, and I used the paper Echo Park Easter. I love using their collections or their kits, and as you can see, I used up most of the stickers, and this is all the paper I have left, little scraps. So I'll probably end up making embellishments out of those and get rid of the kits. But I ended up using a couple single sheets of like pink and white gingham, green and white polka dot, and I kind of added to it. But I ended up getting two paper bag albums and these that I'm going to show you out of it. So I was super happy. But so these are the first two accordion minis, and I created a display box for them, and then on the front I used this cute little egg foam sticker on this one and this one as well from Joann's. And then this is the front cover of the first one. Let me set this aside. It says Happy Easter. I used some cloud dies I had in my stash to create clouds, added a little glitter glue, and then I cut the tree to fit here, and then that was part of the sticker collection. I love that little chocolate bunny hiding in the eggs there. And then for a closure, I have green and white gingham ribbon, and then it opens up like this, and I'll just page through them really fast because they're both sort of similar. Two areas for a photo. I have a corner pocket over here with a cute little bunny egg embellishment, and then two photo mats tucked inside. And flip it again, there's a nice area for a photo. It says the Great Egg Hunt. Created a belly band over here. I made an embellishment out of one of the stickers that are in the collection and put little jelly bean stickers next to it. And then I tucked in two more mats for extra photos and journaling. And then this page here has two photo mats and a nice big one on this side with a little chicken and Easter egg. And it says Be Beautiful, which I hand stamped and made a little sentiment banner out of that. And then this is the back. So I created a pocket from one of my dies. I have another one of those cute foam Easter eggs from Joann's, and then I created this cute little tag to go inside the pocket, and then behind the pocket I tucked another mat for more journaling or photos. I love that cute little chick paper. Isn't that cute? I love that. And then it opens this way, two more photo mats. And then I have some Easter eggs and a bunny embellishment here. Then I created a bottom pocket. It says bunnies and baskets. And in that pocket, I tucked in two more mats for more photos. And then the last two pages here, I have another photo mat, some daisy stickers. I hand stamped Picture Perfect and made another sentiment banner, and then there's two photo mats here with an Easter Sunday sentiment banner. So like all accordion albums, it folds out like that for that side, and then this side. Okay, so that's that one, and I have one more accordion, and then I have another album to share with you. Okay, so this is the display box, and this is my front cover. It says, Let's Go on a Hunt, and I just had some mulberry flowers in my stash, so I kind of layered those up with Easter eggs, and this cute little bunny embellishment was created for me by Celestina's Creations. I'm going to post a link below to her Instagram and Facebook because she also does scrapbook albums and all kinds of things that you may get inspiration from, so you definitely want to check her out. And I just added a little Easter egg to the bunny hands, like the bunny was holding an egg. And then I have some greens, another flower here. Same thing, green and white gingham ribbon closure. And this one's very similar to Photomat. It says Life is Sweet banner here. Corner pocket with bunny embellishment. And then 2 mats for photos or journaling tucked in. This page, large photo mat. Also created a belly band here with daisies and another flower there. And then tucked in more mats for photos and journaling. Same thing, 2 mats and a mat with the chicken, the egg, and beautiful banner I stamped out. Back pocket with the egg. Same style tag. And then I also tucked in another mat behind the pocket for journaling and another photo. And then again it opens this way, 2 photo mats, the bunny and the Easter egg embellishments. A bottom pocket here with a sentiment and little carrots. I love those little carrots. And then I tucked in 2 more mats. And I have details on these and photographs in my eBay. These are also listed in my eBay if you're interested. I will post a link below. Stamped out Picture Perfect. Have another photo mat with a flower. And 2 photo mats here for this one. And then I still had a little bit of paper left from the collection. And I was able to get a wallet style mini out of it. So this was a Easter banner that was in the sticker collection, and I backed it up with cardstock, and then I cut it out and I popped it up on foam for dimension, and then I cut out these little tiny Easter eggs and put those there. And then I have a little foam, it's like the back of an Easter bunny with this little cotton tail there, and it has a magnetic closure. So you just open it up, and there's a top pocket here, and in that pocket I tucked in 3 different sized photo mats for more photos, and those just tuck back in here. And then this flap opens up to a bottom pocket, and I just embellished it with this cute sticker, and it says, "You are such a funny bunny." And then in that pocket I tucked in 3 different sized photo mats. I should probably put my glasses on so I could see what I'm doing. Okay, and then you have 2 areas here for a photo, and both sides flip open. More photos here. And then I created these 2 inside pockets with little carrots on them. And inside that, I tucked in these tags. And they're both the same tags. And then this flips out, and this flips out. So you can put photos here. And then I created 2 photo mats in the center with this cute little bunny egg embellishment. And then this also opens this way for 2 more photos. So it's basically like little accordion flaps to put more photos and journaling on. And that is on both sides, like this. So that's what it looks like on the inside. And then this is the back of the wallet. So that's it, guys. Those are my latest accordion and wallet minis. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and happy crafting.